Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the COMFYGO IQ-8000 folding power chair, so stay tuned. When you receive your IQ-8000, it's going to come in a box like this. This is the Plus model. There's a smaller model. I would assume it would come in a slightly smaller box, but it's going to ship through UPS or FedEx. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to grab my knife. There might be some straps around it like this. We're going to cut them. Make sure you cut upward, don't cut down and potentially damage your product. There's also some tape along the sides I'm going to cut. We have some foam up top. Then we actually have a little bit of accessories up top as well. So if you ordered the cushion upgrades, you'll get some of your upgrades here. Here's your arm bag. And then they actually send you the original back as well. So you can put that on if you do want it. But then underneath the foot plate is our joystick right here. It is attached to the unit. I'll push it down so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. Here's your unit. It's pretty much fully assembled, ready to go. So next we're going to try to get this out of the box. So one way to do this, if you have two people or you have someone capable of just lifting up out of the box, you can do that. Another way is if you have a knife, you can cut the four corners of the box. The box will fall down, and then you have access to your product. Just if you are going to do that, make sure that it's safe and that you're not going to slice into your product. Luckily, we do have this protective foam layer, so it does look relatively safe to do. Another way I would say is probably the easiest is I'm going to lay this on the ground on its side, and then just going to kind of pull the unit back and push the box away. There we go. And there is nothing else in the box, so I'm going to set that to the side. And here's our chair. So I'm going to take a moment and then kind of clean up some of the packing material, then I'll get to unfolding your unit. I've got a lot of packing material away. There is some plastic and stuff around the tires, around the foot plate. I just removed that. It's pretty straightforward, but we do have our joystick here in this box. I'm going to grab my knife and cut the tape holding it together. Again, just be careful, don't cut into it. And in here, we actually have a remote control. We have our owner's manual. And then our joystick. Our joystick will actually go on either the right or the left-handed side. If you go on the left-handed side, there's a little cap you got to pop out. But on the right-handed side, it's set up, and all we do is slide it in. And then there's a little screw that we're going to tighten. So our joystick is in. To unfold the unit, we're basically just going to push down and pull back. So I'm pulling back here, pushing down here. You'll hear a click. That means it's latched. It's worth double checking to make sure it's latched. You don't want it unstable. Then actually underneath here is our charger that is going to be in this box. So now we can see if we have power. I do have power. If I turn on the unit and it starts beeping at me like this and doesn't drive, that means we're in neutral. So there are neutral levers in the chair in the back here. They're right here. These yellow levers. There's a little lock, then an unlock symbol. The unlock symbol is neutral. It allows you to push the unit if you have to do that, but the unit will not drive in neutral. So we are going to push these up into the lock position. Turn your power off and back on again. And we have power and the chair is driving. Now, underneath the front of the chair is a storage compartment that houses your anti-tip wheels that are going to go in the back here. This is what they look like. There is a piece of plastic here with a metal pin. We're going to pull that out. And then we're going to slide these in. There's two different points you can put them in. I'm just going to go all the way. I don't want these to interfere with the chair standing up vertically. So I'm going to push them all the way in. But now our anti-tip wheels have been installed. Now the final thing is making sure our remote is paired. If you did get the upgraded cushion, I believe it comes with the remote. They do give you batteries to put in the remote. Once the batteries are in the remote, we have to make sure the chair is on for this to work. So I do have the power on to the chair. Then the remote should be synced already to your chair. We're going to hold the power button on the remote for about 5 seconds. You'll see it flash green, and now it's paired. There is a pairing procedure if it does come desynced, but it should come pre-paired to your chair. This only works if the chair is on. You can't turn your chair off, walk away, then summon it to you with a remote, but it is great for attendant purposes, so it should come pre-paired. So once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the IQ-8000 by COMFYGO Mobility. If you like this unit or want to purchase one of these, or you just have any questions, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.